There's two of them. I got you.
It's gonna be okay, chicken.
You guys keeping them?
No, we're just gonna eat them.
Oh no! No, I'm joking. Yeah, we do that.
We don't eat our chickens.
That's good though.
They give us eggs. We don't have to buy eggs.
That's good. That's a real good way to save
I want to
money.
do it because
When we come out every day outside, they come running towards us.
Yeah, they're like your pets, so they know you, like a dog. I feel bad though whenever they cut off the heads. I've seen it so many times in Bangladesh.
Hey, don't put feet. Still trying to pet your feet.
Oh, house.
I love my house. It's a nice house.
I thought that was supposed to be the bird house, not the chicken house.
I don't think I'm gonna go to the
God.
Our parakeet ran away.
Ran away? Flew away. My sister's bird flew away too.
Hey. Calm down.
You guys have to be careful though, because they'll peck you, and it hurts. Like, stop! You're not supposed to hold it by its head. That's how it will peck you.
Okay, take the ground. Take it.
Oh my God! It feels a bear.
That's the
I have a huge rooster. The rooster's about this big.
Wow.
It's big. I thought it bit me.
It's blonde.
It's a blonde chick. Whoa! I got scared.
It's big.
Don't go to go away from.
Nice chicken. Rooster.
It's a blondie.
I wish I brought my phone.
We don't have another one. I'm sorry.
Me?
No, I'm joking. We can put it underneath that one.
A little bit here.
I'll hold it.
You want to hold that one? Hold it down. You're gonna have to hold it down.
I'll hold the cage.
Hold the cage. Okay, pick it up.
Oh my God! Oh, I freaked out.
They're soulmating.
Yeah,
Those are
before their
huge.
death.
They're huge.
I think they're trying to bite each other.
Now they're trying to cuddle up before they die. You know.
Ooh, I'm gonna take a feather.
Give me a blonde feather.
It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt it.
Do it after. Do it after they kill it. I want a blonde feather. That looks so cool.
I have a brown one. I have white.
Oh, they're soulmate now.
Okay, let's go. We're done with this.
You better not poop. I'm just telling you guys.
Well, I think they already did.
No.
Oh, I think it's toast gone.
What?
No, it's not. It's
Yeah.
Bitchy.
Uh-oh, I'm pressing.
What a shop.
Hey, what kind of food your mom she give it to the
Mama, palbo. It's a palbo. Ekta pali.
What kind of food does your mom give them?
Morog bati bana?
Huh?
Regular chicken food.
Regular chicken food?
Hey, upar ki bhari jinis rakte.
I think they had a chicken.
Nahi gola khaba de. Oi dikesh kora ki khaye or kaise?
What's the chicken, regular chicken food?
Oh, dekho chicken
Corn, wheat.
Corn and
Oটা
wheat.
bhat ase.
Bhat.
Yep.
Oh, they did go poop.
One of them's blonde. Ew! Where? Oh my God! Sick.
Oh, wait, let go of it. Let's see.
Yeah, two. Just look out, Hike.
No, I know, let go. I just want to see if they can actually, like...
It's feather stuff. It has poop stuck to its tail.
Ew!
Where? Which one?
That one.
Ew! That's sick.
It has poo-poo stuck into its tail.
Ew. Why are you looking down there? You guys are just both sick. Yuck.
I'm not looking down.
What the
Kabe amo.
What is this?
Amo oder feather upore korteছো.
His eye.
Amo তুমি ওর চোখে দিয়ে দিছো.
Look at his head.
They're gonna be eating each other now.
They're going to be
Yeah.
The other rooster is going to be eating the other. Hold this.
Ew! Amo ওখানে ভিতরে পোকা ঢোকা।
Who cares?
বাবা 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 খাচ্ছি একটু তারপর খাচ্ছি না
My eye.
Oh, I know.
Sorry.
Don't sorry me. Oh my God, you got it all up in your hair. মা সবাদের চুলে ধুই দিছো তোর মুখেও গেছে Oh my god.
Big chunks. They eat eggs.
The eggs.
Egg shells for calcium.
Come here. Come here.
They eat rice too.